Hello, today I want to share with you a tutorial on how to install WordPress on a Linux server. Today's tutorial is suitable for Debian and Ubuntu operating systems. I use Hetzner as my Linux server provider, but you can use any other provider to create your virtual server. The process of creating a server is generally similar across all providers. I have separately tested this tutorial on different Debian and Ubuntu distributions, and it has performed well. In the future, I will also provide a similar tutorial for CentOS as well. Based on your desired server specifications, you can select and create your preferred server. Our virtual server is now created, and we can connect to it using the terminal if we are using Linux or Mac OS, or through an SSH client if we are Windows users. I use Windows and use the Termius software to connect to my server, but you can also use other software like PuTTY. When entering a password in the Linux terminal, you won't see any visual feedback, and to confirm, you can use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+Shift+V or simply press the right click on your mouse, and the paste operation will automatically be executed. Now, we need to connect our domain to our server's IP address using Cloudflare. We have previously created a video tutorial on how to add your domain to Cloudflare, and you can find the link to this tutorial above video. After accessing your domain in Cloudflare, navigate to the DNS section and add 2 new records. For the first record, create an A record for the root domain. Enter it in the name field and enter the IPv for address of your server in the IPv for address field. Also, make sure to turn off the proxy status for this record. For the second record, create a CNAME record. Enter www in the name field, and enter the main domain in the target field. Again, make sure to turn off the proxy status for this record. Now, it's time to enter the commands that we will provide in the text file into the terminal. Please make sure to do this carefully and in the correct order. The command is used to initiate the MySQL Secure Installation Wizard. This wizard helps you configure some basic security settings for your MySQL installation. It is typically run after you have installed MySQL to enhance its security. The installation steps for WordPress and SSL certificate on your server have now been completed, and your SSL certificate will remain valid until a certain date, which you will see after confirmation of receipt. Additionally, there will be a background process for updating your certificate. Now, by entering your domain in the web browser, you will complete the final steps of WordPress installation. You can proceed with the setup using the database you created. Now, enter your website title, define a username and password for accessing the WordPress admin section, and enter your email. By clicking on the login link, you will access the WordPress admin section. You can now enter the admin panel using your username and password. Congratulations, you now have WordPress installed on your personal server. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, as well as like and comment on the video to motivate us to continue this journey.